All right, traders, I need to be honest with you for a second. When I first started hearing people talk about using AI for trading, I was skeptical because what I kept seeing was people asking ChatGPT, what stocks should I buy? And then following whatever it said. That is not a process, that is a shortcut. And in trading, shortcuts are often expensive. Here's what I figured out over time. AI is not a trading system, it's a research assistant. And when you use it that way, with intention, with structure, it saves me hours of prep work every single week. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow that I use every Saturday to help me in my trading. I'm going to give you the exact process, the script that I use AI that saves me hours of work. But before I get started, if you don't mind, take a second, hit the like button. It takes only a couple of seconds, but it really does help me out on my channel. I appreciate it. Now, let's dive in. Now, before I get into the actual structure, let me be real clear. AI is not making my trading decisions for me. It's providing a framework, something for me to start with a clearer image, a clearer picture before I read the charts myself. You see, AI cannot read price structure like I read price structure. That is why I use it as a tool, as a stepping stone for me to build out my trade plans each week, not as a replacement for my important chart work and trade planning ideas. I still look at every stock chart. I still draw every level. I'm just starting from a cleaner slate. I'm using AI to do my research legwork, which has been saving me hours. All right, let's get started. Step one of my AI workflow is this. I asked ChatGPT to help me filter out any stocks that have earnings coming up in the next 2 weeks. Now, why does this matter? Because for me, I do not trade stocks that have earnings coming up soon. I trade straight calls or straight puts, and often right before an earnings report is coming out, the implied volatility is ridiculously inflated, making it not a good time for me to be buying calls or buying puts. So, my first step in using AI is asking ChatGPT to filter out any stock names from my watch list that are reporting earnings in the next 14 days. And here's a thing that most traders don't think about. If you're trading a name that has earnings coming up and you don't know it, that's a gap in your process. And the whole point of creating a watch list is to close those gaps in the process. So, this is a very important part that AI helps me filter out within seconds rather than me checking every earnings calendar. Step two of how I use AI in my watch list building process every week is the sector strength scan. I like to ask ChatGPT to give me a breakdown of the sectors in the S&P 500 that are showing relative strength over the last quarter, over the last month, over the last week. ChatGPT quickly filters out those names of sectors that are relatively strong compared to the overall market. That gives me the second step in my AI process. I used to manually do this using different websites, and it would take me sometimes many minutes. But now, ChatGPT and AI delivers that information within seconds. Again, saving me valuable time in my research. What comes back is information for each sector. Now, it's not information that I'm going to blindly trade without looking at charts, obviously, right? But it does help me prioritize the areas of the market that I want to trade the relative strength from. Why mess with things that are lagging behind, right? I want my focus to be on things that are showing relative strength. And with this prompt in AI, it quickly comes up with that list. Now, by the time I've done step one and step two in AI, it's taken me just a few minutes to gather that information. This part of my process used to take me close to an hour manually. That is quite the time saving already. But there's another important step that I use AI for that cuts out even more research time. Let me explain. All right, step three. This is where we get into the actual watch list building. This is when I ask AI to give me 2 to 3 relatively strong names inside of those relatively strong sectors in the market. I ask AI to filter these names by stocks that have option liquidity as well as stocks that are affordable for my account. And I tell AI to use at the money strikes that are $500 or less. This is part of the process that used to take me the most amount of time. And thankfully, with AI, that time is shrunk exponentially, taking just a few seconds to a few minutes to narrow down 10 quality names in the strongest areas of the market. Now, once I have those names, I do the next part of the legwork. I go and I chart those names. I come up with my buy zones, I come up with the targets, and I look at each chart, making sure that they are in a tradable plan, that the risk is less than the reward. Once I have that legwork done, then I'm ready for the next step in my AI process. What I do is I upload a chart into ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to give me a tradable plan idea of buying a dip in a buy zone. It quickly spits out a paragraph that makes the trade plan clear. I use that in my journal to give me an idea before the bell ever rings on Monday morning of what my trade plan looks like for each one of those names that are on my stock list. Now, does AI always catch everything and always make everything perfect with that trade plan? No, not always. That's why I take the time to verify the information that it's given me and make adjustments as necessary. It's important to use real human interaction when AI gives you a plan because it is not always perfect. And the last way that I am utilizing AI in my trading is with my trade journal. You know that I believe it is important to have a trade journal. Journaling every single day, all of your trades, your emotions. Once I have that trade journal for the week, the fifth step in using AI that has helped me in my trading is this. I load my trading journal into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me a summary of what worked well, some areas that I could improve on in the upcoming week, and any other insights it gleams from each day's trading journal. And you know what comes back is genuinely useful. Not because AI is smarter than me about trading, but because it can genuinely see patterns that might be hard for me to see when I'm reading my own journal entries in a review. Like one week, it pointed out that on Mondays, I tend to be more conservative, sizing down or exiting trades too early. That was an important piece for me that I might not have gleaned on my own with reviewing my trade journals. As you know, what I'm big on is knowing what your process is actually doing and not what you think your process is actually doing. Well, this step in using AI in my trade review has helped those two things really come together. No bias in the review when AI is in charge. All right, traders, let me bring this full circle. The way that I'm using AI in my trading to save me time every single Saturday is this. Step one, I first use it to filter out tickers that have earnings coming up in the next 2 weeks. Step two, I use AI to show me where the sector strength is relative to the overall market. And step three is where I start building my watch list with 8 to 10 names that AI picks out from those relatively strong sectors. And then step four, once I've done the charting, I load that into AI and it builds me a clean, concise, clear trading plan that I use in my journaling for the next week. And step five is the trade journal review. I plug in my journal at the end of each week and ask AI to identify any patterns of things that went right that I need to be aware of, and any patterns of things that went wrong that I need to take note of. These are 5 ways that I'm using AI in my trading to save me time every single week. Now, none of these steps replace your own chart work. None of them replace your own judgment. It can't look at your EMA cloud or your Fibonacci levels. You do that. You still need to be the author of your own trading. But the research, the organization, the pattern recognition of your own behavior, that's where AI stands to help you in your trading. If you found this helpful, please take a moment and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you've liked the video. And in the comments section, I would love to hear, are you currently using AI in your trading or in your prep work? If so, how are you using AI? I read every comment and reply to them. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video.